YouTube, La Familia, TikTok family, my Facebook family, and combined all together, we equal the Franken family. Good evening, everybody, and welcome to the channel. MTB Kid Kai says he loves everybody. He's outside getting stuff from the trip, their trip. But so, the favorite Huffy Derailleur, aka Goldmember. Gonna get these forks taken care of. Now, mind you, this would have been my first upgrade, really, because these are small stanchions, but they're doable. I just couldn't stop and gotta get these changed out. Hopefully, game plan. It's the game plan. I don't know if it'll work this way. Game plan is to get everything set and do some riding Saturday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, sometime this weekend. Oh, we have a new addition. I want to introduce the new addition. I don't know where he's at. Teddy! I shouldn't call him. Teddy, come here, buddy. This is our new addition to the family. Come here. Teddy. Teddy.
Come on, boy.
Stop trying to shoot Makai. Hey. This is the new addition to the family. Okay, say hey, everybody. Say hello. Hello.
Say woof woof.
Teddy is a Labrador and Husky.
He's a wild boy.
He's a Lusky. That's a name for him.
A Tusky.
It's something anyway. So, but that's that being said. Welcome, Teddy, to the family. Part of the Franken family. And you know, as usual, let's get this going. Let's get business handled as usual. I'm late and slow behind everything. So happy Thanksgiving to everybody. Even though this is after Thanksgiving, but I hope everybody had a safe and wonderful happy Thanksgiving. I hope you enjoyed your family, your friends, neighbors, whoever you hung out with or spent Thanksgiving with. Hope you enjoyed. Even if it was with yourself, I hope you had that personal reflection time, enjoyment, and hope everybody's day was blessed. Everybody's doing well. So, all right, let's get on to the nitty gritty of things. So, this is what we will be installing. That's right, Bolany Airport blackout. It's actually pretty nice. Actually, I like it. Definitely, we're gonna get more support with this one. We got bigger stanchions and it's being an airport, so it's gonna, give me the rebound, the stiffness, the firmness that I need when I ride. I'm not a super heavy rider, but this was a little bit too light for me, just my weight. I'm not a heavy guy either, but that's the one thing. But it's gonna be a lot better. All right, so enough of that talking. Let's get to walking. I'm getting this done. All right, well, I see you guys on the other side, installing this, and maybe the replacement derailleur for the Deore rubber. Hopefully I can fix that. I wonder if it's the chain. I don't know, it's just strange. We'll figure it out though. All right, see you guys on the other side. Introducing the Happy Derailleur, aka Mr. Goldmember. So new fork on there. Let me know. I'm debating. I like the fork. Nothing wrong with the fork. I don't even mind the sticker itself, but I'm kind of in a contrast because this is silver with the red. You know, the red is fine. It's more of the silver. You know, it's all about the gold. So I'm probably gonna take that sticker off, but let me know what you think in the comments. I appreciate any suggestions. But there you have it. Happy Derailleur, Goldmember. The latest upgrade, I don't want to say latest upgrades to it. I have to remove the derailleur and replace that. Tune up. I almost couldn't get this tire on backs. I was thinking back it needs to be tuned, but I guess a little tuning needs to be done. We got a little rub. Well, I can knock that out pretty easily. That, change the derailleur out and we're set. So definitely please support the channel any way you can. Like, subscribe, comment, be a friend, tell a friend. Sharing is caring. Definitely if you want to buy us a cup of coffee at buymeacoffee.com, the link is there. It could be coffee, pizza, a beer, a shot, however you choose to donate. Also, I'm going to be putting, that's what I need to do this week. I'm going to get my address posted and everything. You guys need to, send anything to the P.O. box. And the email should be in there. I'll make sure it is in case you guys want to email me, send me some pictures of your bikes or whatever it may be. But yeah, definitely appreciate you guys for watching the videos. As always, make sure you're blessed, not too stressed. Sharing is caring. Be a friend, tell a friend. As always, peace. Deuces. I'm out.